Computer language or program language. A computer languages are the languages by which a user commands a computer to work on the algorithm which a user has written to get an output. A programming language is a tool for developing executable models for a class of problem domains. There are two types of computer languages: low-level languages and high-level languages. These are the top programming languages, which C forms 20%, Java 19%, Squirrel 11%, C++ 11%, Facebook Graph API 8%, Excel, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, C#, Analytics. Lower level language. A low level programming language is a programming language that provides little or no abstraction from a computer's instruction set architecture. It consists of numeric codes, the 0 and 1, which is the binary numbers, and these codes are easily understandable to computer, but it is difficult for human beings. A lower level language is used in the first two generations of computer. The first generation of computers and second generation of computers used to work on this lower level languages, which was mainly where only numeric codes were in. And the first generation languages, or IGL, represent the very early primitive computer languages that consisted entirely of ones and zeros, the actual language that the computer understands, which is the machine language. The second generation languages represent a step up from the first generation languages, allow for the use of symbolic names instead of just numbers. And second generation languages are known as assembly languages. And code written in an assembly language is converted into machine language, which is the first generation language. And characteristics of low level languages: they are direct memory management, little to no abstraction from the hardware, register access, statements usually have no obvious correspondence with clock cycles, superb performance when you compare at these are the early languages that were used. And advantages: computational speed was very fast, directly understandable by computer because it's mainly machine language. And disadvantages: development of a program in machine language is very time consuming. Error correction is tedious process. High-level languages. High-level programming languages allow the specification of a problem solution in terms closer to those used by human beings. These languages were designed to make programming far easier, less error-prone, and to remove the programmer from having to know the details of the internal structure of a particular computer. This language is used in third generation. And third generation languages. With the languages introduced by the third generation of computer programming, words and commands instead of just symbols and numbers were being used, and these languages therefore had syntax that was much easier to understand. And third generation languages are known as high level languages and include C, C++, Java, JavaScript, HTML, XML, etc. High level languages. C, developed by Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s, provides control and efficiency of assembly language while having third generation language features often used for system programs. Unix is written in C. And this is how a C looks like. You need to give the command. So you need to include the studio.h, and what is printed is printf hello world, which is given in brackets, and return 0. So if nothing is typed, it returns to 0. This word hello world will be printed, or you will get it as output. This is how it's entered, and this is the output, hello world, and process returned 0, execution time 0.188. So if you want to continue, you need to press any key, and then you need to give the next command. Then came C++, This C language with additional features was known as C++ and widely used for developing system and application software. Graphical user interfaces can be developed easily with visual programming tools. And C++ is statistically typed, free from multi-paradigm, compiled general-purpose programming language. It is regarded as a middle-level language as it comprises a combination of both high-level and low-level language features. Language features, operators and operator overloading, templates, objects, polymorphism, all this C++. Visual Basic is the third generation programming language and integrated development environment from Microsoft for its COM programming model. Visual Basic is relatively easy to use. It is interpreted, dynamic constructs, open classes, message style methods, etc. Poor performance is one of the key features of Visual Basic. Concise code, flexible syntax, good for internal DSLs. These are simple to adopt due to their English-like structure of statements. They are easy to maintain and debug. Disadvantages: the program written in high-level language are less efficient as they take more execution time. The compiler also consumes some memory as it is required for the translation process. High-level languages: Java, an object-oriented language similar to C++ that eliminates lot of C++ problematic features, allows a web page developer to create programs for applications. Objective of Java developers is that it be machine, platform and operating system independent. So this is how a Java input is given in Java. And this is the output, how it comes in a Java. XML, extensible markup language, a language for defining other languages. HTML, hypertext markup language used on the internet and the World Wide Web. Web page developer puts brief codes called tags in the page to indicate how the page should be formatted. Based on this, you get the HTML page. Difference between a high and low level programming language is low level languages work more closely with hardware and do not require compiler to be executed because it is machine as well as assembly language. And high level languages are more understandable for the programmer in terms of the words in the code, and that has to be understood by the computer, decoded to human to the programmer's level for the programmer to get the output.